Welcome to Jammin' with Janny.
My name is Justin.
And I'm Danny, and together we make Janny. This week, we're going to be taking on a challenge that a lot of people have seen online, and this was actually provided to us by a coworker.
Correct. And what we're going to be asking you all as viewers to do too is send the challenges that you would like to see us attempt our way, and we will do them.
So here it is. So we've put our own little spin on this by just grabbing whatever we had in the office, and we found this pre-COVID bottle of syrup. Half drinking.
People drink syrup?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, we're not just going to be taking on just this challenge because we want this to be valuable to you, since this is shot in a professional format, in a professional workspace.
So today's topic is being a professional but still having fun.
A lot of people think you can't have fun if you're going to be a professional, but it's just not true.
Not true at all.
This guy actually likes to call it
Professional,
which I still think is dumb, but we're going to go with it. Don't forget, it's 3 strikes and you're out.
Let's do it. Dropping.
Dropping.
Oh, it was so close. I felt the wind. Dropping.
Hey. Tip number 1. When you're reaching out, always make it personalized and make it more about them than it is about you. Drop it.
Video is a great way to show your personality and have a little bit of fun while doing that. Dropping.
Yes, make sure that anytime you're reaching out, you are providing a benefit to the conversation and to that person individually that you're speaking to.
Are you not blindfolded right now? You're talking as if, okay.
Drop!
God dang it! I don't know.
You don't talk in a different way when you're not blindfolded.
I felt you looking at me back and forth.
I am looking.
I know.
That's what I still do. The corner of it kind of hurts when it hits you in the eyeball.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Drop me.
It kind of hit me.
Tip number 2. Get to know your customer on a more personal level. Build a relationship with them and know more about them than just the sale.
You can have fun and be professional by reaching out about more than just the next steps within the sales process.
For example, I just had a customer who was telling me that he was taking apart a pool this weekend, and I simply reached out just to make sure he was alive.
I hit my nose so hard my eyes are watering. I'm kind of laughing and crying, also crying. Tip number 3. When you're reaching out, reach out with a goal in mind. Don't just reach out with a funny message. Video allows you to have fun, show your personality, be funny, but reach out with a goal in mind and then have fun with it. Drop! Oh, jeez.
Stepped on the wind again. I got my shoulder.
Isn't this fun? Not professional at all, but fun.
Did you drop it?
No, I still have to say it. Release.
You suck.
Oh. Oh. It's hit me twice. Bonus tip number 4. Never sell to a man with an above ground pool. Can't trust him.
That was weak.
Justin beat you to the whole, like, take your mask off.
Did he really?
Yeah. Good work.
I don't have to like you, but I do respect you.
I don't like you or respect you.
So, Justin, how'd it feel to hit Danny in the face with maple syrup?
It felt great. You know, it wasn't the first time I've hit him in the face with maple syrup, to be exact, but it certainly won't be the last.
Yes, it is. You've never hit me in the face with maple syrup before. I'm still kind of confused why Justin, it seems like he did not get hit in the face as hard and as many times as I did.
Is that a cheating speculation from you?
Actually, if you think about it, I am stronger, so I throw the syrup faster.
Nobody
with
thinks
more
that you're
force.
stronger at all.
Debatable. This has been another episode of
Jamming with Janny. My glove was way better than yours.
Certainly
I definitely beat you there.
I still won. Still won.